Hello everyone, I'm Inal, General Partner at Tone Ventures, and in this video I want to share how squads and teams work for games on Telegram. One of the best examples of squads competition was implemented in Notcoin, obviously. But there is a very counterintuitive thing about games on Telegram if you want to make an accent on squads and teams. Think of squads and teams as a thing for key opinion leaders, or KOLs in other words. It means that you have to design a game for KOLs. They should be interested in creating their own squad and inviting their community to their squad, and basically they should be interested in getting the most out of the game through the squad. Some games, very successful games on Telegram, were basically telling us that we've made our game with the KOLs in mind, not with players in mind. And it can be like a really good acquisition channel for your game. So think of squads and competition among squads as one of the main acquisition channels for your games. You should basically incentivize KOLs to create their squads. Think of it as an acquisition channel. Again, very important thing that you always have to remember when you design a game. And do not forget to reward KOLs. This is really important. They have to be like very good rewarded compared to other players not inviting their friends. And KOLs can actually help you to start like something really big because they can invite like hundreds and thousands of users, maybe even millions of users, like in cases for some existing like very successful games. Very small advice I always also want to give you is about PvP games. Do not implement online or synchronous PvP if it is possible. If you can avoid having synchronous PvP, please do it. Because according to our statistics, users wait only up to 7 seconds for the matchmaking. It means that if you do not have enough players online, your users will just leave. So if you can implement PvP mechanics in an asynchronous style, it means not two users play against each other at the same time, or if you can implement it basically like maybe not even fully online, do that. Do not implement PvP at Telegram right now. There are too many distractions on Telegram, so people will not make for a long time for the matchmaking. Please keep that in mind.